The query is a typo for 50 chess tips, which can be answered by providing a selection of key strategies and principles from the search results. These include focusing on central control, developing pieces quickly, castling early, and protecting your king. Other important tips involve controlling open files with rooks, understanding pawn structure, evaluating trades carefully, and always considering your opponent's threats. General strategy. Control the center. Place pieces and pawns in the center to control more squares and limit your opponent's options. Develop your pieces. Bring your knights and bishops into the game early, ideally before moving your queen. Castle early. Castle to get your king to safety and to connect your rooks. Connect your rooks. After castling, move one of your rooks to a file where the other can protect it. Keep your king safe. Your king is your most valuable piece. Ensure it is well defended. Pawn and piece play. Develop pieces efficiently. Avoid moving the same piece twice in the opening unless necessary. Control open files. Use your rooks to control open files, vertical lines without pawns, to invade your opponent's position. Improve your worst placed piece. Focus on moving a piece that is not active to a better square. Understand piece value. Know that a queen is worth about 9 points, a rook 5, and a bishop or knight about 3. Avoid weak pawn structures. Be careful not to create isolated or doubled pawns. Tactics and exchanges. Look for your opponent's threats. Always consider what your opponent is trying to do. Evaluate trades. Think carefully before making an exchange. Trade when ahead. If you are up in material, trading pieces can simplify the game and lead to a favorable endgame. Complicate when behind. If you are behind, try to avoid trades and create a more complex game with more threats. Endgame and other tips. Transition to the endgame. When you have an advantage, transition to an endgame where your extra material can be decisive. Use tactics trainers. Practice common tactical motifs and checkmate patterns to sharpen your skills. Avoid impulsive moves. Take your time and think before moving. Protect your pawns. Don't be greedy for pawns, and remember that pawns cannot move backward.